Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Main 2025, 2nd April, shift first. Velocity of river is 9 km per hour and velocity of boat is in still water is 27 km per hour. The boat starts sailing at an angle of 150 with flow of river. Time to cross the river is 30 seconds. Width of the river is. So student, here velocity of river is given to us 9 km per hour and velocity of boat in still water is given to us 27 km per hour, and the boat starts sailing at an angle of 150. So let this is river and this is the flow of river. So we are equal to 9 km per hour and this is the bed of the river, let it is D, and the boat start sailing at an angle of 150 with flow of the water. So this is the flow of the water and boat start in this way. So this angle is 150 and this is 27 km per hour, B boat. Okay, so the component of this velocity which used to complete the distance D is this part is theta, then this is V cos theta, and cos theta can be easily obtained. This angle is 90, so theta equal to 150 minus 90, that is 60. Therefore component of velocity of boat which cover the distance D, bed of river. So this is BB cos theta. BB is 27 km per hour and cos theta is cos 60. Therefore it is 27 by 2 because cos theta is 1 by 2 km per hour. So this is velocity. So time taken, time equal to distance over speed. Using this, time taken T equal to distance is D and speed is 27 by 2 km per hour. We change it in meter per second because time is given in second. So 5 upon 18 multiplied to change it in meter per second, and this is 30 D over. Now simplifying this, so 9 3 are 27 and 9 2 are 18. So this will be 30 equal to 4D upon 3 5 are 15. So dividing this, this is 15, this is 2, 15 50 225 upon 2 equal to D. Therefore D equal to 112.5 meter. Okay, so D is, if this is integer type question, then D can be 112 meter. So answer is 112 meter. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.